how to earn more money into your business, because everybody wants to make more money. And in this video we show you exactly how you can make more money in your own business. And even if you don't own a business, this is a great tip to start making more money than what you can. And I want to make more money, and it's the same for every person on this planet. And there are many reasons why I want to make more money. It can be for my goals, it can be for my lifestyle. I want to increase the quality of my lifestyle. I want to reinvest that money in my business so I can get a stronger and bigger business. I want to make a gift, I want to make a travel, or just I want to be more relaxed or work a little bit less by making more money, so I can maybe take some more holidays and some more days off. And you need to find the reasons why you need to make more money, so you will have more motivation and you will have the push that pretty much gives you the courage to do this little next step and make more money. Because business owners struggle to make money. It's not easy. It's not that if you start your own business today, you will make $10,000 tomorrow. It's hard, especially at the beginning. But by knowing this tip, that really changed my perspective, and it will change your business too, because it works with every type of business. And understand that there is enough money on this planet for everybody. You don't need to think about scarcity. You don't need to think that there is no money for you, or maybe in your country there are too much poor people. You need to focus on the abundance and understand that there is a ton of money around you, and there is a ton of money that you can get, and you don't need to make money. You just need to collect money from other people by exchange your service or your products. So stop thinking that there is no money, or there is no money for you, or the maximum amount of money that you can make are just $2,000 or $3,000 a month. But focus on really big stuff. Focus on the big money around you. So say this, the tip is that you need to raise your prices, and it's not easy, and it's not just to change your price, but you need to do the right behavior, because raising your price, it's something really hard and difficult. It can seem simple if you don't have a business right now, but understand that if you raise your prices, into your mind there will be a ton of stuff that can pretty much drag you down. For example, you have the fear to lose clients, you have the fear of pretty much don't match the expectation of your client. You have the fear that you will make, yes, more money, but you will waste also a ton more money. So there will be a ton of stuff into your mind that you need to work. But the main tip, the main goal is to raise your prices, because people are not buying from you because of your price. Yes, it can be one second or third or fourth reason, but the main reason is not because of the price. And the same thing probably is when you go and buy something, you don't buy the cheapest on the planet, but you just buy the one that you find around, that it gives what you want and it doesn't cost too much. This is pretty much what people are looking. And I have seen this in my own business, with my own experience, because about 1 year ago I was scared that people don't buy from me because of my prices. And the prices was pretty much really low. I've set really low prices. But then once I start understanding this concept, I've pretty much raised my prices. And now I'm pretty much at the double. If 1 year ago I sold you this one product, probably right now you will pay the double amount of money for that same product, and people will buy it. I'm making more money, I'm getting more clients. And this is because if you set a higher price for your products, people will see your products that are better quality. Because if I tell you that the product number one do the same thing of the product number two, but there is maybe $50 of difference, into your mind you start thinking that the product number two is more valuable, that it's made with better quality, that it maybe has a better support. And you need to raise your prices, but also raise your service, because you get more experience, you improve your service, you improve your skills, and pretty much you get better and you deliver a better product to your client. So it's normal to make them pay a little bit more. And as I said before, the service is really what differentiates $1,000 hotel night or $100 hotel night. And this is in every business. If you go to a garage to pretty much fix your car, if you pay a lot of money, you will have a great car to go around while your car is fixed, and then you will have a better service, a better support, you will have a better area, better environment, and you will feel better because you know that the work that they are doing, it's high quality. But if you go in a garage and you pretty much fix your car for a really low amount of dollars, maybe they will give you a scratchy car, they will give you maybe not a great experience as the one before. And this is really the difference that you can implement into your business to make that your clients pay your services more. For example, now I have my own office, so clients come here and we do business here. We don't do to a restaurant or to a bar. So this is value that I add to the client's experience. And make sure to do the little raises pretty much every month, and don't do it like this. Don't take your product and increase it maybe $200 from today to tomorrow, because people will notice it and they will maybe stop buying. Because if you have people that just look at the price but buying from you, you will pretty much end up losing these clients. But if you really create the habit every month to raise a little bit your prices, there will be no problem. Because I see often that people that I know just sell their products, but if they give me a great service, I will be really available to give them maybe $10, $20 or $50 more if the product is great. And maybe yes, you will lose some clients, but at the end, with the clients that you have lost, you will have other clients that pay you more money. So you will have less clients, less work, but you will make the same or more money. So this is pretty much the best way on how you can earn more money, because you already have your product, you already have your clients, you need just to raise a little bit your prices. So it's easy, you do the same effort that you do right now, but you make more money. It's pretty much perfect. And one of the best ways to get more clients to your business is cold calling, but probably you are not doing it because you don't know exactly how to do it. And in this video right here, I share all my secrets and tips about cold calling, and you need to watch this. I see you there.